Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Scale.
What does the dictionary say?
To look at an object in a smaller or larger version.
Math rap.
To scale in math is a simple conversion. To look at an object in a smaller or larger version, study a drawing or model and its ratio of length. At 1 to 10, for example, you scale it by a 10.
Math rap.
What creatures know all about scales? Fish. Explain scales in your own words. What things in life would you scale up for fun in your life? Why? What professions are required to scale while on the job? What kinds of things could you scale down in your life in order to make things better or easier for you? Explain. Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!